Hello everyone, Nimisha here. Today I'm super excited to share with you all what I received in my welcome kit from Madras University for my MSc in Cyber Forensic and Information Security. So let's dive in. Yeah, alright. Let's see what inside first. Mm, yeah, first up we have the intimation letter, admission intimation letter. This is where it all begins, folks. It's official now. I'm a part of Madras University esteemed program. And next, yeah, we have the ID card. This little piece of plastic holds a lot of power. It's my ticket for accessing all the resources and facilities that university has to offer. And now the best part is the textbooks. Here are the textbook for the first and second semesters. The cyber forensic and information security are fascinating subjects, and I can't walk to dive into these books and expand my knowledge. So yeah, there you have it, folk. That's everything included in my welcome kit from my Madras University. Also, I got my original documents back. That's for verification purpose, and I'm incredibly grateful for this opportunity to further my education in such an exciting field. Stay tuned for more updates on my journey through this program, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this content. And I'll share you a detailed video of the admission procedure and all. There are so much noise here. I'm so sorry for that. Bye. Stay tuned.